Hi, in this video we are going to see the permanent central government jobs vacancies notification, and here the salary is up to 1,03,000 rupees per month. And here the good news is that any graduate can apply for these post guys, and from any state, because it is all over the India vacancies, so you may apply from any state guys. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunity. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more details regarding this notification, please watch this video until the end. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. The present content of the video, it is banknote press Divas from MP guys, and it is a mini Ratna category. So a unit of Secretary Printing and Minting Corporation of India Limited. So recruitments of various posts are there here, and you may check down. It is inviting the applications from Indian nationals for filling up the vacancies for the following post. So here the projected vacancies as well as the reservation status are also given here. That means what is the post code and what is the name of the post, what is the pay scale, level of the pay scale, as well as the upper age limitations and how many number of posts are there, and as per the caste category the number of vacancies are divided here. And this complete information you will get here from this table guys. So coming to the name of the post, welfare officer, pay scale is 29,742, 1,03,000. So level A2, and supervisor ink factory and the supervisor information technology. So for both these, for all this post code 1, 2, 3, upper age limit is 30 years. So please remember the post code guys. Why? Because in the next of this video we are going to see the educational qualifications based upon these post codes. And while coming to the junior office assistant, 21,542, 77,160. B3, 28 years is the age limit and the post code is 4. And from 5 to 8, that is junior technician, ink factory, printing, electrical or IT and mechanical or AC, 18,782, 67,390. So level is W1 and the age limit is 25 years. And you may check down the total number of posts are 131 vacancies are there, and these 100 vacancies are divided into the different based upon the caste category guys. You may check down. And further, the application from Indian nationals are also invited for filling up of the following vacancies. For Indian government Mint Noida, secretarial assistant as well as a junior office assistant. So for the post code 9, 23,910 to 85,570 and the level is B4. And for junior office assistant it is 21,542, 77,160, B3 category, and the upper age limit is 28 years. And the total number of posts are 4, and based upon the caste category these vacancies are split up here. You may check down guys. And next, the opening of website link for online registration and payment of fee in online mode is 12th May 2021 to 11th June 2021, and the closing date of receipt of applications are 11th June 2021, and the tentative date of stenography and typing skill test at selected centers for the post mentioned 4, 9 and code is 4, 9 and 10 is July or the August 2021, and the tentative date of online examination at selected centers July or August 2021. Okay. And coming to the qualification and experience as on the closing date, for the welfare officer essential, possessing a degree of a university recognized by the state government in this behalf, has obtained a degree or a diploma in social science from any institution recognized by the state government in this behalf, has adequate knowledge of Hindi as also of the language spoken by majority or the workers in the factory to which he is to be attached. Fine. And the supervisor is ink factory, first class full-time diploma in dye stuff technology or paint technology or surface coating technology, or the printing ink technology or printing technology. Higher qualification, that is BTech or BU or BSc in the relevant field can also be applied, or else a full-time BSc in chemistry also can be applied. And coming to the supervisor in information technology, first class full-time diploma in engineering and the IT or communication engineering, higher qualification like BTech or BE or BSc engineering in the relevant trade can also apply. And the junior office assistant, graduate with at least 55% of marks. I mean any graduate with computer knowledge, with typing speed on computer in English at the rate 40 words per minute and Hindi at the rate 30 words per minute as per the requirement. And the junior technician ink factory, so full-time ITA certificate in desktop technology, and junior technician printing, so full-time ITA certificate, and junior technician electrical or IT, full-time ITA certificate in electrical or electronics along with 1 year NESA certificate from NCVT. And the same qualification is for the mechanical, okay, that is full-time ITA certificate in fitter or machinist, turner or instrument mechanic, or else a mechanic or motor vehicle. And coming to the secretarial assistant, graduate with at least 55% of marks with some computer knowledge and stenography in English or the Hindi. And the desirable is proficiency in secretarial job. And junior office assistant, graduate with at least 55% of marks with computer knowledge, with typing speed on computer in English at the rate 40 and Hindi at the rate 30. Okay, so these are the requirements, guys, and you may check down, and few more instructions are also given here. Okay, so it is having total 14 pages of PDF, is there, right? So out of the 14 pages, whatever the important points are there, so I just mentioned those points. And the minimum age limit is the 18 years as on the last date of receipt of application, and the upper age limit relaxation is there for SC ST 5 years, and for OBC 3 years, and 10 years relaxation for the physically handicapped persons. Okay, and coming to the examination fee, 600 rupees for candidates belonging to UR or OBC or EWS, and 2000 rupees for candidates belonging to SC or ST category for each post. And coming to the selection procedure, the objective type online examination will be there. For post code 1 to 3, professional knowledge, general awareness, English language, local reasoning, as well as quantitative aptitude. So number of questions and the number of marks are given here, and the duration is 2 hours. And for post code 4 and 10, the post of junior office assistant, typing skills, okay, and the name of the test is also given here: general awareness, English language, logical reasoning, and the quantitative aptitude. And for post code 5 to 8, general awareness, English, logical reasoning, as well as the quantitative aptitude, right? And for the post code 9, so here the typing speed test will be there, as well as this test also will be there. And there will be no interview for the selection of above post, directly based upon the written examination only, fine. So these are the main important points, guys. And the typing skill test or online examination will be conducted in the following centers, so you may select any one of the nearest center to you, okay. So for your reference purpose, I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video, guys. Okay, so you may check down and how to apply. So all the points are given here. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And for the online application process, here the official link is also given here, so click on that one, and then you will be directed, okay, how to apply, okay, here, fine. So it is online application website, guys. Okay, so from this you have to apply. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here an announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the national eligibility test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science, and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.